guys, it's Sandra again from Stone Eagle Massage Stone. I really am excited about sharing Rose Quartz with you. I know a lot of you have probably heard about Rose Quartz. It's all about the heart with Rose Quartz. This stone is so nurturing and centering for the soul. It helps anyone with heartache, heart physical problems, people that are having relationship issues, feeling disconnected from their heart, being too much in their head. What I really love to do is just hold on to this stone, take 3 deep breaths in and out, and as I do that, I visualize a white light coming through my crown chakra down to my heart chakra. My heart chakra is right here at my chest where my heart would be. So I just sit with it, breathe in. Really center yourself when you have this stone. It really gives you that clarity and that healing. It's an incredible stone for rebalancing. I love this stone. So even just holding the stone nearby or working with it, massaging with it, anything like that will really help you and your client get that healing within. So remember, Rose Quartz, all about the heart chakra. Maybe it's the stone you need. I hope you enjoyed this. Next week we're going to talk about the desert jasper.